أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. سورة الفاتحة. الحمد, all praises. Lillahi, for Allah. Rabbi, He is the Lord. Al-Alameen, all the worlds. Ar-Rahman, He is the most gracious. Ar-Rahim, and the most merciful. Maliki, He is the honor. Yawmiddin, the day of judgment. He is the honor of the day of judgment. Iyaka, you alone. Na'budu, we worship. Wa iyaka, and we alone. Nasta'een, we ask for help. Ihdina, guide us. As-sirat al-mustaqim, to the straight path. Sirat mean path. To the straight path. Sirat al-ladina, the path of those. An'amta, you have bestowed favors. Alayhim, upon them. Ghayril maghdubi, not those whom your anger came down. Alayhim, upon them. Waladdallin, and not the way of astray. Ameen.